So hello and what is up guys. So if you want to install SteamOS or SteamOS on your PC, then this is a guide from me. So let's start the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button. So guys, at first you will have to come to SteamOS official website from Google, and then you just need to click on download Bazite, and there it will be showing you what hardware are you using. So here we will select desktop, and you have to select your GPU. Even if it is NVIDIA, it will work properly. So I am selecting NVIDIA. I have a GTX 970, so I will select NVIDIA GTX 9 or 10 series. Okay, so here it is showing that your selected hardware does not support Steam gaming mode at a time. So there is no problem in it. Then we need to select an environment. So here I select KDE like SteamOS desktop. Okay, so now you have to download Bazite NVIDIA. Download this one. It will be around 7 GB, so please be patient. Once the download started, here you can see guys, the download has started. I have already downloaded it, so I don't need to repeat the process. So I will here cut it. Then you need to get the software Ventoy. You can download it from Google. So after downloading Ventoy, you need a pen drive, and then here you can see guys, I have the Bazite. I'll double click it, and this is what it is. Okay, so came back. So here you can see guys, I have downloaded Ventoy. Just extract it. After extracting, open it. You'll need a pen drive. So here we can select Ventoy to disk. Yes. And just install it on your pen drive. So I have already done this. Here you can see Ventoy in device. So I will just close. You will have to install it. All the data on the pen drive will be formatted. So now just close it and get back. And now you need to copy the OS, Bazite OS. You have to copy it into Ventoy. Here you can see I have already copied it. So now I will just reboot my PC and boot into BIOS by F11 or F12 key, and then select it. Select my pen drive. So you have to disable secure boot from your BIOS settings also. So I will just reboot my PC. So here you can see guys, when I booted from my USB, I will get this option, test this media and install Bazite, or simply install Bazite. I will click install Bazite, and it will do the processing here. So we'll have to wait until it done the processing. So guys, here we are in the installation. So here we will select the language English, and here is next button. Click on it, and then you'll have to select these options. You can customize as you want. So now I will click on installation destination, and here I have my hard disk, which is around 52 GB, and I'll just select it with automatic. You can do custom or advanced custom also to dual boot. So if you need a guide to dual boot with Windows, you can then comment down, and I will make the video on that also. So now I will just go on done, and then you need to create user creation. So here you will need to enter a username, like I add my name Vito, and you need to enter in password like I add Vito, and then just done. Click on done, and here it is begin installation. I will click on begin installation. So here we go guys. After restarting, our SteamOS is installed, and it is updating the Steam package. So after updating, it will open the Steam login page. Then you just have to log in with your ID password, and I'm logging in here. So after loading, it will show the store and download any game you want. So I will download, for example, Counter-Strike 2. I will try to install it. you can install any game you want, and you can enable the game mode to experience full controller OS. Or there is a workaround with Windows. There is something new called Xbox full screen mode. I have already made a video on it. It is also to make your Windows PC a console like experience to use it with the remote control. So you can also use Rufus also to emulate Windows games on SteamOS. So that's all it is. So if you experience any problem or you want to dual boot it with Windows, then you can comment down and I will make a video on it also. So thank you guys, I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.